I just took the hydraulic system off of this Mitsubishi tractor. It is a D2000 Mitsubishi. I also have a Satoh ST2001 tractor. It's the same tractor. Okay, so anything I do on this one will be the same on the other one. And here it is. I'm fixing to replace the seals. The hydraulics are drifting on it. It falls, then it compensates, and falls and compensates. So I'm going to replace the seals in this, and in this piece here. I'm going to be taking that apart. There are bolts that hold this on the top side. And there's bolts that hold this also. 3 bolts that hold this in, this piece, on the top side also. I can pull that out and replace the seals in this thing. And I should be good to go, hopefully.